Greetings from Marieviksbadet in Stockholm on this 19th of November 2025. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. So, starting off again with the clothes on because it is -1 degree Celsius in the air, and in this morning it was also -6 and below. And I was walking today to the center of the city, mainly to Kungsholmen. And the day is still young. Well, we are now approaching the last hour of sunlight. It's now around 2 p.m. And on my way home, walking also as well, I decided to stop by here. I visited this place a month ago, and back then it was not so cold actually in the air, and in the water it was around 10 degrees. And to my surprise, today the water is quite warm. 7 degrees Celsius I just measured, which is a lot warmer than in the air. And it is because here we have a larger area of the lake Mälaren. And yeah, that's about it. It is also a construction site. This area is known as Marievik, which is the same name as this beach that was opened this summer, Marieviksbadet. And I'm all alone today and have a very nice view over Liljeholmsbron, Södermalm, Årstabron, and the Liljeholmskajen area. Now, this is not actually snow, or actually I believe not. It's maybe from the frosting from the night or something else, as I don't think it was snowing. But the forecast says it's going to snow today. So it's a pity that the snow isn't coming now, but I think it's on its way as I can see the clouds. Now, let's get changed and going for a dip. Not ice dip because it's 7 degrees in the water, very warm, but it's good that it's not blowing. So let's get ready for a dip. And we are good to go for a quick dip in Lake Mälaren here at Marieviksbadet. I'm freezing now. It feels a lot colder without the clothes on, I'm not gonna lie. And I already measured that it's 7 in the lake, and you can see that here in the thermometer it says actually 1, but it is -1. So we're gonna leave after that. I don't think it measures below 0 on the thermometer. I'm not really sure, but yeah, beach adventures with Chris, and 7 degrees in the lake, and we're gonna go for a spin. We have now, I see the commuter train. The water is not so cold, but the worst thing is that when you go out, and I feel so much coldness at my feet and hands. So it's very important to have hand gloves and 2 pairs of socks is what I usually have, which means you need to have a bit more white shoes for that. All right, Marieviksbadet once again this season. It's winter for sure. And we are then gonna go for a quick dip. And yeah, the beach adventure continue as usual. And ready, set, and go! Quite nice actually. It's not as cold as it was yesterday, 2 degrees. If it was a bit warmer in the air, I could have swam a bit. It feels nice, for me at least. But yeah, it has been so nice. And when I look at this, it looks like snow all around, but there will be snow for sure coming up. Cool! That's a wrap from my quick dip at Marieviksbadet. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!